The Jobobike Romer electric bike blends elegance, practicality, and strength in a compact, foldable frame designed for both daily commutes and adventurous rides. Its step-through 6061 aluminum alloy frame ensures durability and comfort, offering an easy mount and dismount experience suitable for riders of all ages and abilities. The double-layer construction provides added rigidity and protection, keeping the integrated battery safe from dust, moisture, and external impacts, making it a reliable companion across varying terrains and weather conditions. Powered by a 250W high-performance motor delivering up to 80 Nm of torque, the Romer provides smooth acceleration and enough strength to conquer city streets, hilly paths, and off-road tracks alike. This balance of efficiency and power ensures a natural riding feel, while maintaining stability and control on every surface. The energy-efficient 48V 15AH lithium battery, or 48V 15AH on the Romer X version, provides long-lasting endurance for extended rides, supporting both commuting and leisure travel. With up to 720 Wh of power, it offers excellent range while remaining lightweight and removable for convenient charging wherever you go. An advanced LCD display gives you real-time access to essential ride data such as speed, distance, battery level, and pedal assist mode, allowing for full control and monitoring during every journey. The built-in USB port ensures your devices stay powered on the go, adding practicality to every trip. Integrated sensors enhance the accuracy of riding data, delivering a smoother and more responsive pedal assist experience that adapts intuitively to your effort. Safety and control are central to the Romer's design. It features a responsive braking system by Tektro, ensuring reliable stopping power even in challenging conditions. The automatic rear brake light activates whenever you slow down or stop, increasing visibility and safety during night rides or heavy traffic situations. Equipped with Shimano's 7-speed gear system, the Romer offers versatility and adaptability for different road gradients and riding preferences. Whether you're tackling steep climbs or cruising through flat city roads, gear shifting remains precise and effortless. Combining power, efficiency, and user-friendly design, the Jobobike Romer electric bike is built for those who value comfort, safety, and freedom in their ride. From city commutes to weekend adventures, it delivers a refined, reliable, and enjoyable e-bike experience, built to take you further with confidence and style.